The Ripple stablecoin RLUSD has been approved by the NYDFS, and many do not yet understand how big this is going to be, with not only the stablecoin market about to enter the trillions, but how it's going to benefit XRP. So make sure you stay around towards the end of the video. If you enjoy, leave a like down below. And with that said, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so first I want to go through the basics to get everyone on the same level of understanding. First question being, what is a stablecoin? A stablecoin is a cryptocurrency designed to maintain a stable value, and they're typically pegged to an external asset like a fiat currency being the US dollar or the euro. And the most common type of stablecoins are backed by fiat reserves like USDT and USDC. And Ripple's stablecoin, RLUSD, will be pegged 1-to-1 with the dollar, backed by US financial deposits, US short term treasuries, and other cash equivalents. And it's going to be issued on the XRP ledger and Ethereum, and Ripple plan to expand to other blockchains in the future. And with the Ripple stablecoin, we can see institutional use cases with cross border payments and remittances, right? Low cost international payments bypassing the traditional slow banking networks. Institutions can use RLUSD to settle transactions. We can also see use cases with on demand liquidity, CBDC support, central bank applications, and much more. And the biggest question on everyone's mind, is this going to replace or compete with XRP? No, it's going to complement XRP, because if you look at the difference in roles where XRP acts as a liquidity bridge and the RULSD acts as a stable medium of exchange. For example, institutions could use RLUSD to hold value in the US dollar, while XRP can facilitate instant, low cost conversions to other fiat currencies. Also, with on demand liquidity, they could use XRP to transfer RULSD internationally. So, all you have to remember is this is going to lead to higher trading volumes and greater adoption of XRP. And funnily enough, back in April when the stablecoin was first announced, everyone was max bearish, max FUD on XRP, thinking it was going to go to zero because it was going to replace XRP. That was not the case at all. The opposite actually happened. And just to be honest, the stablecoin is a large market opportunity, right? It's expected to grow to almost 3 trillion in the next 5 years, right? Remittances, I think, reached annually 600 billion in 2023. This is a growing market, and Ripple's RLUSD is prepared to take a slice of that, where stablecoins address inefficiencies in the traditional financial system. And now that we've gone over what is a stablecoin, Ripple's vision for the stablecoin RLUSD, why does this change everything, and mainly for XRP? Well, it's because of the real world application, right? Cross border payments, low fees and instant settlement, DeFi applications, lending, borrowing and trading, financial inclusion, and institutional adoption. And it's all going to increase demand for XRP. If you think to other cryptocurrencies where there's real world adoption, for example, Ethereum in 2020, the rise of DeFi, decentralized finance, and NFTs in 2021. All of these use cases required Ethereum for transaction fees and smart contract interaction. Bitcoin, seen as a store of value used by institutions and even countries like El Salvador, this has continued the price trend to the upside. XRP back in 2017, partnering with leading institutions, banks, signaling real world application caused the price to rise. And today we're coming back full circle. And when there is real world usage, that increases demand and plays into scarcity and supply. And you don't hear this enough of XRP because there's so many, right? There's only 21 million Bitcoin, but there's 100 billion XRP. But the supply is fixed. And when it's fixed and there's ever growing demand, the price is going to rise. Also of XRP, for every transaction, a small amount is burned, reducing the supply. And last, it's going to attract speculative interest, what the stablecoin can do and will do in the future. People will buy XRP on the anticipation of what will happen because it's going to boost trading volume and boost adoption of XRP. I'm infinitely more bullish with the stablecoin arriving. Now, before we go, I want to share with you the promotion that's going on at Decent. Not only is it the cheapest I've ever seen, but you're getting $70 off with the discounts in the description down below, but you're getting free cryptocurrency, potentially $50 plus. So if you buy the wallet now in December, and then in the 6th to the 12th of January, submit your airdrop application, so your wallet address and your actual confirmation of when you actually bought the wallet in December. It's limited to 1,000 entries, so be as quick as you can. You will receive it on the 15th of January. But the tokens are BBB, CTC, and the last one is going to be revealed on the 24th of December. Coins are supported are XRP, Core, Solo, XLM, XCC, QNT, and most of the coins that we speak about on the channel. And I always recommend this wallet to people that are new to crypto as it's so easy to navigate with biometric authentication, no long 12-digit code you have to remember every time you log in. It's easy to navigate. There's just a big screen and 4 buttons. It's hassle-free updates and it is secure. No big, outbreaks in terms of personal information or data breaches compared to some other cold storage options out there. If you're from Europe, US, or Japan, free shipping. Check the links in the description down below. But that's going to be pretty much it for today's video. I'm going to leave you guys with a video of Monica Long, the president of Ripple, explaining more about the Ripple stablecoin RLUSD. And be sure to follow me on TikTok for everything XRP, everything new information, updates about the stablecoin. It's much easier to make a short form video, so you're going to see it there first before you see it on YouTube. But if you made this fun a video, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.
$1 billion in terms of market cap today. But that's projected to be, north of $3 trillion in just a few years because there's going to be more demand drivers like payments. We saw Stripe acquire Bridge very recently. That's a major payment player that's leaning into using stablecoins for payments. We talk about, Ripple, and, we've processed more than $70 billion through digital assets. And so this use case is going to be a massive trend, and there's going to be more needs in the market for more stable coins. And, from our perspective, we have the use case. We have customers who already want to use stable coins in payments. So we think that we can be a great provider.
Do you expect the market to expand, or do you expect to compete with these two stable coins to break into their existing client base?
I expect the market to really expand. And I will say, so the Ripple US dollar, not yet launched. We're operationally ready, but really important to us is having approval from the regulators. So New York Department of Financial Services is, it's up to them. They're reviewing our trust application.